China's quadruple supersonic passenger aircraft verification has completed its test flight, and its core technology breakthrough surprise is yet to come. In the field of aerospace, the pursuit of higher speeds for passenger aircraft is considered a luxury, especially the end of Concorde, which almost proves this point. However, China's private passenger aircraft seems to have to subvert this time tested market law and use brand new supersonic technology to make this supersonic passenger aircraft with a flight speed up to March matching 4 and also successfully carried out the verification test flight of a Sobi model. According to reports, Sichuan Linkhong Tianxing Technology Co. Limited recently announced that the verification aircraft of its Yunshin series supersonic aircraft has completed the verification test flight. Through a series of test flights, the key technologies of supersonic aircraft, such as aerodynamics and heat protection control have been verified, which indicates that China has made a major breakthrough in the field of supersonic aircraft. It may also be strange that passenger aircraft are huge means of transportation. How do they achieve quadruple factor flight? It is very interesting that this Chinese private enterprise is playing the routine of decentralizing hypersonic technology, that is, aerodynamic design of wave riders, is adopted in the research and development of aircraft. This design can increase air density at flight altitude and maintain efficient flight performance when it decreases, providing passengers with a more economical and comfortable flight experience. In terms of heat protection technology, the operational series of supersonic aircraft uses a high temperature resistance and lightweight material system. We know that when flying at high speed, the surface of the aircraft will continue to be aerodynamically heated, and its local temperature may exceed 1000 degrees Celsius. The all composite structure used in the verification aircraft for this test flight has successfully withstood the test of extreme environments, demonstrating China's deep strength in the field of material science. Next, the company also plans to complete the flight verification of Jindoin series of engines within the year and plans to achieve the first flight of supersonic passenger aircraft prototype in 2027. It can be said that the realization of this goal is quite difficult, and it is necessary to overcome the series of technical difficulties. If successful, it will enable China to occupy an important position in the global aviation industry, thereby promoting changes in the international aviation competition landscape. The emergence of self contained supersonic technology will significantly reduce the flight time of long distance international flights, quickly transport passengers from Beijing to all parts of the world with a flight time of only one quarter of the original. For business travelers and time sensitive passengers, it has considerable appeal. According to the company, they are also developing a supersonic passenger aircraft with a vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Of course, the difficulty of such research and development is increasingly exponentially. Once realized, it will provide new possibilities for the layout of future urban airports. You can learn these things and fly at 4 times the speed of supersonic. How did Yunxing series of supersonic aircraft do it? In fact, they changed their research and development ideas because the series of aircraft looks like a rocket ready to be launched, taking off vertically from the launch pad and flying like a water skip at high altitude with thin air. This is equivalent to a high parameter missile that can glide. When the warhead is about to reach the destination, it will first slow down to subsonic speed, then slow down to twice through the liquid rocket engine, and finally achieve the vertical landing. Fuel acceleration is required at the airport on the return trip. Vertical launch and takeoff. It should be noted that Lincoln Tensing Technology is not a shell company. Its technical strength is quite strong. The company has research and development and manufacturing centers in Sichuan, Beijing, Xi'an, and other places. And there is also a test base in Xinjiang. The company is also engaged in technical verification and research and development in the fields of high parameter aircraft. The Phaeton-1 hypersonic aircraft project they collaborated with the NPU was successful a few years ago. Then there are several questions that need to be considered. Can the self-contained supersonic aircraft be recognized by market? Chinese think the challenges they face are quite large, and of course the hope is also great. These changes include passenger safety, comfort issues, fuel consumption, greenhouse gas emissions, and the acquisition of air travel certificates required for intercontinental flights. How to gradually reduce manufacturing and operating costs while ensuring that technological advancement will be the core of successful commercialization in the future. The challenge may not be the technical field, but at the market level, the successful test flight of the cloud type supersonic passenger aircraft demonstrate the China's ability to catch up and surpass the high-tech field, especially in the industry with high barriers such as aerospace. Making breakthroughs is not only a reflection of technological strength but also an improvement in the country's comprehensive competitiveness. In the future, we may really be able to enjoy the convenience brought by supersonic flight or even hypersonic flight. This new concept of aircraft in China undoubtedly provides new imagination space for the development of global aviation transportation industry, but its research and development difficulty is quite large. Then the transport vehicle that can travel 4 times the speed of sound will have very broad development prospects both in the military and civilian fields.
After watching this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Your support means a lot and helps our team create more videos like this. Thanks for watching.